feeling like I wanna see this all the time. Why? Please tell me why. This is literally how my box came. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 1 of August 2019 box week. Oh my god, that was amazing. Like, I'm like, woo! And if you're like brand new to my channel, you're like, what was amazing? All she said was hi. Exactly. You're right. You're welcome. So, if you are brand new to my YouTube channel and you're like watching this video and you're feeling like, I wanna see this all the time, click the red subscribe button, join our little Just Like Drew crew family, which is growing and it's really fun. This is box week. It is the best week every month. We have a new video every day for 7 days straight, sometimes more. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. This box week is going to be amazing. I have, like, I don't know what happened, but the Just Like Drew crew family was shown some love, and I have like a bunch of new like stuff, like new stuff like that I'm gonna be showing you this week. So just like buckle up, get ready, get excited. Today's video though, okay, so let me back up. We'll be starting a new stockpile giveaway, a new one. That doesn't matter. Well, I mean, it matters, but like that's not important to, okay, so listen to this. Y'all remember a couple months ago where I told you my Ipsy box came, like, the side came completely open, right? Why? Please tell me why this month, like, it's like completely open. Look at this. This is literally how my box came. Like, not even like, they didn't even try to be like, oh man, the side got ripped open. Like, it's like completely cut. Like, it's completely open. I actually have not looked in here, so I have no idea what's in here. I don't even know what I'm supposed to get, so I'm gonna have to, after this video, make sure I even got everything. But I don't know what's going on with Ipsy. I don't know if this is an Ipsy issue or a post office issue. So, like, if you get the Ipsy Glam Plus, please comment below and tell me if this ever happened to you, because like I actually wrote Ipsy about this last time. I was like, my box, like the whole side was like ripped open. Nobody ever even got to me. They didn't even like respond. Like, they didn't even send me like one of those like real chill, like, hey, we're real busy, but in like 48 hours. No, not even. They were like, no girl, we ain't gonna get to you. We're not gonna help you. You're just gonna have to figure it out. But again, now this box is like open. Like, it's like completely open. Like, somebody was like, oh, let me see what's, no. I'm upset. Otherwise, I guess I'll have to go to the post office, but like, this is the only box this happened with. Like, I get all these subscription boxes, and this is the only one that's coming like open, like pre-open. Like, I don't know if they're trying to make it more convenient for people. Like, hey, less to worry about. We'll open it for you before you get it and just hope for the best. Like, that doesn't even make sense. Like, why is this like this? Also, if you watch this video and you like what's in my box, or what's left in my box at this point, because you really don't know, you can hit the link below and I'll tell you how to, it'll like, you can go get your own one. I don't know. Like, the thing is, I like Ipsy too, but I'm just mad that this packaging is happening. So let's just get into it. Alright, the rant will cease for now. On the very top, since it's open already, it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Oh, that's nice. Alright, and it's like shows everything right in here, right off the top. So the very first thing we have is Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. I be loving me some Murad. I'm definitely keeping this to try. Like, I love Murad. Their exfoliators are really nice. So this is a Murad exfoliator full size. That's a really good product. The next thing that we have is Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, length and volume, from Thrive Cosmetics. And they say cosmetics as if like it's a cause that they're fighting for. This is a mascara. Right now I'm actually pretty good on mascara, so I'm going to put this into the stockpile giveaway. But this is a Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara for length and volume from Thrive Cosmetics. Orchid Stem Cell Complex. That's really cool. So they say like in the back, like, you know, basically your eyelashes are going to look insanely longer by using this product. Next thing we have is a Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is a hydrate mask from Ahava. So, I think I've talked about this before. I've tried the Ahava mask before. Personally, for my skin, they don't seem to work very well, but I know that like a lot of people love this brand. So I'm going to putting this one into the stockpile giveaway as well, just because like for me, like whenever I've used Ahava, like it just doesn't, like, I don't know why, but for some reason it doesn't work well with my skin. And rather than keep it and test it out, I'd rather put this in the giveaway so that I know that like hopefully somebody who it'll work well with will win this. Alright, the next thing that we have is the In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. It looks like it is a balm eyeshadow palette. Is it an eyeshadow palette? I think so. We'll look and see. Or maybe it's like a, hold on, nope. Oh, this is like, they have like, it looks like blushes. So it's like 2 eyeshadow slash blushes, a bronzer, and then it's like really weird. Like these are like all kinds of like, I don't know how to explain it, but look at, that's what it looks like. So these are like blushes slash like eyeshadows. These are like highlighters slash bronzers and things. So I'm honestly, let's see here. I'm gonna test this out and see. My hand bumped it. I feel bad. Like I was like, dang it. Alright, so we will definitely swatch this a little bit to see what they look like. Because I guess the whole point of this is you can use this as like multi like items. I don't know. So for me, the balm, one of my issues with them, why I haven't personally ever really purchased this brand too much, is because I feel like the shadows at times don't really show up. Like this one, yeah, like I just put this on here and it's like not really coming up. So like my issue with the balm is I feel like a lot of times like their stuff just doesn't really like come up as much on the skin tone. Let's test out some of these blushes and see what those look like. Okay, the blushes are nice. The blushes are really pretty. I think that those are gonna look really good right there, if you can see. Can you even see those? They're like really light. Oh, hold on. It's my phone alarm. Every month this happens. Alright, I'm back. Literally, do you guys notice like every month my phone alarm goes off? Like every single month. Like my phone alarm will just be like, whoop! Hold on, let me get in the video. And then finally, oh snap! We have these Farah Be Beautiful Be You. This like little mix of eyeshadow brushes. This is really pretty. Like this is gorgeous. I love these. I'm actually gonna put these into the stockpile giveaway. Like I'm getting to the point where I'm gonna start needing like new brushes soon, but I'm not there yet. So I'm putting this in the giveaway. These are gorgeous. Look how pretty these are. Oh my god, I love it. So we're gonna quickly recap this box. So we got the Murad Exfoliation Hydrating Cleanser. We got the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask, which is gonna go into the stockpile giveaway. We got the Thrive Cosmetics Length and Volume Mascara, which is going in the giveaway. We got the Be Beautiful Be You Farah brushes, which are like seriously like so gorgeous, going in the giveaway as well. We got the Balm like palette that's like for, whoops, face, cheek, eyes, all of it. And then it looks like that is everything we got in the box. Alright, so then this is like a little card they put in there too, I guess. I don't know. I guess I'll have to look and see. Okay, hold on. Okay, it looks like I got everything, so nothing was actually like missing from here, which is cool. I will tell you really quickly, since I have this out here, the eyeshadow palette was $32. The mascara is $24. The brush set is $48. The mask is $33. And the cleanser is $39. So the value is definitely there. So believe it or not, nobody took anything out of my box, so that's good. I just feel like it's kind of a bummer when like I have to like hold it shut so that like I can't see what's in it. But I don't know. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of box week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. It's obviously going to be Huda on the top here. Inside, it's going to be the information all about the products that are in the box, but I'm really just like, I'm freaking out. Because I mean, I bought Huda